Twisted Minds is the fourth team to be eliminated from MPL Philippines Season 17. You know what time it is? Hands in. Sobrang haba ng araw today. I think it was somewhere around 12 hours or 13 hours. Sinama ko na dun guys yung call time namin. So, medyo matagal talaga yung araw na to, pero maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagpunta. You know, for Smart Omega and Twisted Minds, I was so happy because there was a huge turnout of people. Yung Aurora and yung Onyx parang in-expect na namin na sobrang dami ng mga manonood. In fact, napuno nga because of the two biggest fan bases na meron tayo sa liga. But to think na over the course of the season, nung pumasok yung MDL champions into the Twisted Minds lineup last season, hindi ganun karami yung fans nila. Sabi nga ni Sean nun, yung iba pa dun, mga hatak. But for this season, it was different. There were more people believing in them. Like nung ini-introduce si Lansu, he was so happy to be surrounded by people who were genuinely supporting their team. And you know, it gives these guys so much confidence entering this series. Yun nga lang, Smart Omega had a lot more in their sleeve against Twisted Minds. Kaya sila yung natanggal. This was the second season that they retained this lineup. Sinama lang nila si Owl, who then got brought back to the bench. Dahil nga si Nosha yung nakita nila na mas fit during the latter parts of the season. I think this is also the same scenario na posibleng gawin ng Twisted Minds. Kasi nandun pa rin sila sa sumpa na hindi sila makaalis ng play-ins. Hindi sila makaalis ng first round. Whether it's a couple of veterans na ginamit nila during season 15. Tapos alam mo yun, pagdating nila dito sa new wave of talents, medyo hindi nila nagawa or na-accomplish yung gusto sana nilang gawin na magkaroon ng medyo malalim na run towards this season's playoffs. Pero alam mo yun, like the teams that we have for this season, specifically yung top 4 na natitira, are just on a completely different level against those na natanggal. So for Twisted Minds, wherever the players may be, whether they stay or they go to different teams, I hope makita ko rin sila na mag-shine. Kasi magiging mahirap talaga yung desisyon na yun. Kung papakawalan mo ba yung players mo or magtitiwala ka ulit that they can run it back and make a deeper run next season. Kasi sa totoo lang ganun yung ginawa ng Bren Esports dati. Si Super Marco kinuha yata nila season 8, season 9. Pero season 10 nakatungtong na sila ng playoffs. Yung dinamay na si Kyle, si Ogwen, some are probably gonna stay, but Twisted Minds would probably consider finding more pieces that would fit into their core na mananatili dun sa roster nila. We're down to the final 4.